I'm so sorry if you or someone you care about has been the victim of identity theft. I've been there myself, and it's really no fun. Let's get started right away on your recovery. There are hundreds of types of identity theft, and each of them has a slightly different recovery path. So I'd like to give you some general tips that apply to most of them. At the end, I'll give you a resource that helps out with the most common variations on this crime. You might be a bit panicked right now. After all, you're dealing with the loss and possible abuse of some of the most private and powerful information you have. Whether it's a missing wallet or smartphone, an online account that's been taken over, or a data breach notification you've just gotten in the mail, it's important to stay calm and move forward quickly, not irrationally. Take a deep breath, come to terms with the fact that you are in for some hard work, and know that in the end, everything is going to be okay. When it comes to recovering from ID theft, order matters. So your first step is to take an inventory of every missing item, including physical assets, digital assets, and those that have been compromised online. Over the coming hours, you'll work on protecting everything on this checklist. But until you understand what's missing, it's hard to know where to begin. You should be especially diligent if you've lost your social security number, bank, investment, or medical accounts, or anything else on this list. If you've only had a credit card number compromised, call your credit card company now and have a new card with a new number issued right away. Next, I want you to start an identity theft recovery log. Over the next couple of weeks, tracking what you do is going to be vitally important. Keep a log of every step you have taken, every person you've spoken with, the date and time of your conversation, and the results of your call. It seems like extra work now, but in the worst case scenario, this log of contacts becomes part of your discovery file and helps you to prove your financial, civil, and criminal innocence if it becomes necessary. The next step is also your 1-minute mission, and it's vital. I want you to deactivate all of the affected accounts. The quickest way to minimize ID theft damage is to quickly change the account numbers and login information for any account, financial or otherwise, that's been affected. It's relatively quick to do this with your bank or credit card company because they're used to the problem, but make sure that you also update any auto-pay services that tap into those accounts. Also, in addition to calling the company directly to let them know what's happened, change the password for your online account if you have one. Once you have completed this step, log your results and then please visit the website listed here and download a PDF of my book, The Identity Theft Recovery Guide, which has been graciously paid for by the organization that sends you Sileo Security. Read through the guide and solve any specific forms of theft that might threaten your identity. Finally, if these resources don't address your needs, please visit the Identity Theft Resource Center for personalized help. And one final thought, once you've recovered, make sure you act on future episodes of Sileo Security to prevent this from happening ever again. The time you invest now could save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of work. Good luck.